There's not much in this bite-sized video other than the ramblings of a madman. So watch if you like, don't watch if you don't like. Thanks for watching if you do, and don't forget, make sure you subscribe to get that t-shirt.
Good morning. Anybody know Richardson's password for the Wi-Fi? It's different on each boat. Well, if you do, it's no good telling me, is it now? In fact, I've got my own Wi-Fi dongle, but no signal whatsoever down here. Carl's been getting notifications, but he can't send anything. So anybody been trying to contact me today, or yesterday actually, down here? No chance. Anyway, so quite eventful yesterday, really. Can't remember how much of it I've told you. So we saw a guy swimming. Thought it was a dog at first, but then it turns out to be a guy. Each to their own, I say. Each to their own. Not for me. That bloody cold water. It's looking like it's going to be a lovely day. And it's a cloud in the sky. It's supposed to be cloudy all week. You can't tell with Norfolk weather, can you? So Christine wasn't feeling too good yesterday. Now apparently we're not too sure if it's my fault or not, because she is allergic to deodorant and forces me to go into the saloon to use my deodorant, but I'd left the bedroom door open, hadn't I? So it crept into the bedroom and she had a coughing fit, and she's not too sure whether she's strained something or whether she's picked up a bug. I can understand the straining something through coughing fit, but not getting a bug from a deodorant spray. But anyway, so I now identify it as a can of deodorant, and before you ask, yes, I'm sure. Right, so she didn't join us, but me, Colette and Carl went over to the new inn, which is just behind us here, as you can now see. And the food were okay. Well, Christine didn't join us, she said she weren't feeling up to it. So after all that from yesterday, I wanted to go to Sailing Ferry. It was Christine's decision. I got overruled again. Christine wanted to come here because she'd looked at the menus at both places and thought this one were better. So Colette and Carl had Sunday roast and they said it were alright. I went for the chilli. I haven't had a chilli for a long time. And you could have it with rice or chips. So I asked the lovely lady in there who came to take our order. And the staff really good. They are, honestly, they're good. I said, is there any chance I could have half rice and half chips? And she said, yeah, of course it is. Of course you can. So, when it came, it was full rice and full chips. The plate were absolutely heaving. In fact, I think it overfaced me a bit. The chilli were nice. Chips are frozen chips, obviously, oven chip type things, but I don't mind them, they were quite nice, chunky chips. And a big bowl of rice. So I managed to polish off most of it. Well, 3/4 of it. Then we went back to the boat. Thrashed them at Domino's. They were winning 3-2 in this latest tournament. And we beat them 5-3. And then they went to bed, the girls. Me and Carl played crib. Now then, let me tell you about Carl. Start on my screen there. Captain Pugwash. The other morning, he said, I know you, I'm ready yesterday morning. Oh, what have I done now to that? Made it worse. Oh, made the right town halls of that. He said, I know you we need to get the engine running to get the hot water. He said, but I thought it might have been still a bit warmer. I said, well, I've just had a good wash and it was warm. I said, did you use the hot tap or the cold? He said, I didn't know there were 2 taps. Can't educate pork. Yeah, so he'd had a cold shower. Right, so what else happened? Well, that was it. We had well, it was a bit of it was just a journey up to Norwich, really. What's that up there? It was just oh, he's got a broken leg. It's a bit spooky, that, isn't it? Oh, it's Daniel Craig. No time to die. Somebody else is in the back of the boat. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not walking too far. Oh, nettles on my legs. Yeah, so really we just, I thought the plan was we were going to go up to Norwich, we would have a walk round, the girls do a bit of shopping if they wanted to do, and me and Carl would do a bit of shopping of another kind. And it turns out it turns out that that wasn't the intention. The intention was just to go and have a beer. So we just went in the Queen of IC, New Weatherspoons, 2 drinks, and then off. Anyway, it was a nice cruise up to Norwich. It's not too bad nowadays up there, is it? That's another thing. I said to Carl on the way up, you'll be able to see the football ground in a bit. He said, what, Norwich? I said, no, Ipswich. He said, Ipswich? I said, obviously it's not Ipswich, is it, you muppet? Colette said exactly the same thing. What, Norwich? Honest to God. So anyway, the plan now is, I've not been getting up at all early. It's 8 o'clock. They were dead on 8, boat's engine aside of us come on, which fair play to them. It wasn't earlier than that. It's now 22:09. But the engine coming on woke me up, and I'm not normally in bed at that time, 8 o'clock. So I've been catching up on my sleep, I think. I know, go on, I need the beauty sleep. So yeah, we're going to set off in about 15 minutes and head down to Loddon. And it's still debatable what we're having for our evening meal tonight. So Carl's opting for a Chinese. The Indian's really nice, which we had in July. You might have seen that one in the video where I left my cat and Joe went looking for it. Oh, Lucy, what are you doing with him? So we could either see the White Horse as well at Loddon. Well, it's in Chedgrave. Does really good meals, or did really good meals when we've been in. So we'll have a quick walk around the Staithe. Now, if you come down to Rockland, as you can see, there's enough room here for 1, 2, probably get another 2 in there, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats on this side, and depending on how we squeeze in on the other side, we'll have a look, 3 or 4. Now there is no water facilities here, and there is 1 electric post. Well, I didn't actually video in yesterday, but we played pool. Well, Carl played pool, me and Colette attempted to play pool. I've gone at that game, my eyes. Oh shit, I can't get across there. Oh, that's not good, is it? Anyway, so look, you can get another one on the end here, and another one in between the boats there, so 4 on this side, and there's one electric post, and yeah, so where those guys are fishing on that side over there, if you walk down there you come to a bird hide that overlooks the Broad. It's a nice walk, probably about half an hour, something like that, and actually you can walk all the way down there, down the dike, and then up the river to the Beauchamp Arms, if you so wish. Up the road up here, about 15-minute walk, is a little village store and post office. So when you come out the Staithe, don't turn left like Robin did once. You turn right up that way if you want to go to the shop. Yeah, I'm not walking around there now because that means I have to climb over this or under it. And I'm not going that low. My days as a limbo dancer are well and truly gone. Right, so I'll leave that little segment here. Oh no, ants or something now. But, I mean, I don't know if that sun's going to blind you, but look at it. Gorgeous, bloody gorgeous. Well, let's have a quick walk over to the other side here. This is where me and Sam were trying to catch what we thought, or what I thought looked like chub at one point. And then we realised, well, we found out by somebody telling us that they were mullet. There were bloody hundreds of them. They weren't taking any baits. Rockland Bridge just had the engineer out taking some part away from it. I don't know what it was. I'm wondering who owns them because I've never seen them go anywhere. Check pike log for please avoid pike fishing in warm water conditions. Yes. They might look fierce and ferocious, but they're not. They're delicate fish. And there's no oxygen about in the summer months for them, so it's not really good fishing for pike in summer. I've not brought my fishing tackle. The pike caught here must be returned alive. There is fish about, because I can see it swirling, but it's not as clear as it was last time he was here. Right. What's he doing? He's not pike fishing, he's got a pole. Right, you can see the little ripples down there, or maybe not on here. Right, so I think it's going to be 3 hours to get to Loddon. We'll be there for about 12 o'clock, hopefully we'll get into Staithe, if not there's Pies Mill. And we were supposed to be getting up early today, 7 o'clock, and going for a walk. I've not done enough walking yet. Right, so that's some blinding. That'll be a sunglasses job today. I did actually say to Christine, have you brought any sun cream? She went, yeah, of course I have. I have been sunburnt before in October. Right, 3 hours, Pies Mill or Staithe, so I'll keep you going as we're going.
Well, we're about ready to set off, so that'll be in the next video. Now, thanks for watching this one, and don't forget, if you want the chance to win one of these absolutely gorgeous, well, it looks better on me because I'm like a model, t-shirts, then you have to be a subscriber when I reach 1,000 subscribers. Now, the word subscribe suggests that it costs you something. It doesn't. All you have to do is click that button. You can comment. I enjoy the comments. I enjoy the banter with all my subscribers who take the time to place comments. And I appreciate every one of them. And come and join us. It doesn't cost anything, like I say. It's free. You can't get anything free nowadays, can you? But it is. It's free.